Hi guys, time for a video again. And again, one that's called In My Mailbox. I received a lot of stuff again. These videos are of course not in a timely order. I'm receiving all the time stuff, but there is a lot of stuff as you can see, and it is only a small amount. Anyway, again today we have from Pollen some heat sinks, and the rest is everything from AliExpress. But let's start from Pollen. So these are very inexpensive heat sinks I bought from Pollen. Again, this is probably from an Asian manufacturer. They bought in a large quantity. This is the number. It has 3 tapped holes, M3, and 3 larger holes, M4 I think, or M5. And the whole thing is solderable in the PCB. This is how it looks. The size is 66 by 21 by 15 millimeters. I bought, I think, 30 of each. The ones I will show you. These are only just the ones that I have in the fast bin to get it fast when I need it. So this is the first one. Let's put it back. Next one is, everything is real time here, is this one, a smaller one. It has only 1 hole. A tapped one, M3. Again, solderable. They're not high power heat sinks, but they're good for smaller dissipations. This one is 50 by 21 by 15. And the last one if I get it out, is one with 1 tapped hole, nope, 3 tapped holes, M3, in an interesting distribution. It's a larger one. Of course, again, solderable. These are the kinds that you see on Chinese power supplies or Asian brand power supplies. I saw them quite a few times. And it is 64 by 21 by 15. A little bit more details I will show you later on the website of Neuhold.at. Yeah, this is what I have today from Pollen. Not much. I bought more things, but I don't think they will be interesting for you. So let's continue with the videos of the website. So this is the website from Pollen again of the heat sinks. The first one is the 1AA2HEA0314B. What a name, yeah. Anyway, that's a 50 by 21 by 15 millimeters. 18 cent guys, yeah. The next one is, I'm not saying that again, the one with 66 21 by 15 with more holes. This one has 1 tapped hole. This have 2 tapped holes and 3 larger ones. And the last one in the size of 64 by 21 by 15 millimeters, again with 2 larger holes and 1 tapped hole. Yeah. Both are solderable, all the 3 are solderable. 18 cents per piece. Well, nothing more to say. Okay, let's start with the AliExpress stuff. And because the last things that I showed you before are heat sinks, let's continue with the heat sinks. These are quite flat VGA or graphic card heat sinks or chipset heat sinks, 50 by 50 millimeters, I think. Yes, they are. They are ideal for cooling MOSFETs and other or transistors or something that are flat on the surface of the PCB. And I'm going to use these ones for a power supply that I'm planning. Ooh, it's going bad. It will not cool anymore. Ow, that hurts. Okay, a little bit better. Anyway, same kind, just a different color. Because, yeah, I like both. Anyway, next. Now we have a whole bonanza, like David Jones would say, of inductors. As I said, when I am buying in stuff, I buy many variations that I think I can use. So for the beginning, I needed some 1 millihenry ones. Let me see which are the 1 millihenry ones. Yep, these are the ones. That's 10 millihenry. Okay, the rest is 1 millihenry. So I bought many variations just for testing. Low cost from China. These are 12 by 12, 1 millihenry SMD. Oops, you don't see anything. Is there anything that they write? Yeah. Not really much. Yeah, 1 millihenry. Yeah, they call it CD127. There are knockoffs of the original CD127 from, forgot the original brand. Anyway, this is CD127, and here we have CD75. There are smaller ones, of course, with much less current capability. Again, 1 millihenry. Then we have some through-hole ones. These are called PK0912. That's the diameter and the length. That's the smaller ones. And then we have the PK1415. That's the bigger ones with more current capability. Just a few of them to have for experimenting on my new designs. Then the Toroid style ones, 1 millihenry with called 9125A that go up to 1 amp or more, a little bit more, with 0.6 millimeter wire. They are wound on a black toroid core with low AL. That means low. That means you need much more windings for that. Same here, but with much more power with 1 millimeter wire. Again, a black core, low AL with a lot of windings. Of course, all of these will be links for to AliExpress, but no real screenshots from the websites because it's not necessary. Then I needed some 10 millihenry again for a power supply, where I'm not sure which one I will use. So I have these ones. They are 23 millimeter of diameter, 10 microhenry, sorry, with two 1 millimeter, 1.6 millimeter wires in parallel. These are for at least 20-30 amps, yeah? Easily, yeah. Nice core, as you can see here. It's a brand core, but I don't get it much better. Let me see if I can get it better. Yeah, that's the brand of the core, MKS 22912. Not bad. I'm sure they are not pure copper. There will be copper, aluminum, copper plated, but this is what you get from China, even in their power supplies. And the last ones I used, or ordered, are these beautiful RM6 style 10 microhenry, rated at 18 amps. They are really small. Yeah, I want to show it to you in comparison. Look, but they are special. These ones have a flat coil. Look at that coil. Very, very massive. I have ordered some further ones for 40 amps that are a little bit larger. These are Würth, the German manufacturer Würth knockoffs, but I don't care if they work. This is why I'm going to try them. They are very small, 18 amps, 18 to 20 amps. RM6, 10 milli, oh, come on, 10 microhenries. I think these are $5, $10, I don't know, not much. Links in the description. So, and now we have a caboodle, a really larger stock or lot of distance holders. Plastic ones, both variations, with one side inner thread and outer thread, then with inner thread. These are just a few that I was missing from my many that I have. I have thousands of them, yeah. But even that I have thousands of those and metal ones, I still miss sizes. It's amazing. You cannot have enough so that you say, okay, I immediately have what I needed. This is just a small part that I ordered. It is it is from one seller. I'll send you the links. Oh, sorry, 2 sellers. The links will be in the description. And the last thing for today, of course, it's a power supply again. Yeah, it's a very cheap AGS 480 watt 0 to 80 volt power supply. 80 volt, 8 amps. You can only adjust the output, the voltage output, not the current. To be honest, it would be very easy to modify it, but I don't need it. Yeah, $30 shipped, something like that. Why I bought it? I don't know, just to play. I needed an 80 volt power supply, so this is why I bought it. No specific reason. This is made similarly to the one 300 volt power supply that are completely reverse engineered. The schematic matches. Some of the part numberings are different, but the schematic completely matches. This is partially SMD and through hole. It's same build like the 300 watt one that I had. They are quite stable. It is just another power supply that I have. I will not make any tear down of that because it's not necessary. I have already made the 300 volt one. It's from the same HGS 480 watt series. The next power supply that one of the next, or perhaps the last one, video that I make of regarding these power supplies will be probably a step-by-step instruction on how to check the faults, how to check what is faulty on a faulty power supply. I don't know exactly what I will do. It will be perhaps with a printed manual that will be a gift to you, because all these things that I'm showing to you, that designs and power supply re-engineerings, etc., it's a lot of work. Yeah, it takes hours, days. Yeah. Anyway, well, this is for today. Again, these are the things that I received recently. If you like my videos, if you like my content, as always, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. This helps a lot to grow my channel. And press the notification button so you get informed about new videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Cheers, guys. Bye.